Today, we dive into a groundbreaking development poised to transform AI integration for developers across all Apple platforms. Introducing AnyLanguageModel, a new Swift package designed to simplify the complex world of large language models. Its core mission? Streamlining how developers incorporate powerful AI capabilities directly into their applications. This package provides a unified API, acting as a single entry point for a diverse array of language models. From local processing power on devices to vast cloud resources, any language model efficiently bridges the gap. Specifically, it supports popular local models, including Apple's own Core ML for advanced on-device intelligence. This includes MLX, another powerful framework known for high-performance machine learning, now easily integrated. Developers can leverage llama.cpp, bringing efficient inference of open-source models directly to their applications. And Ollama, providing a versatile platform for running open-source LLMs locally, is also seamlessly integrated into the package. But it doesn't stop there. AnyLanguageModel also extends its reach to powerful remote cloud services for developers. This includes industry leaders like a generic OpenAI-like service, offering access to their cutting-edge language models. A generic Anthropic-like service, known for its focus on responsible AI development, is also part of this extensive support. And a generic Google Gemini-like service, bringing its advanced multimodal capabilities into the unified framework for developers. A key feature is its ability to act as a drop-in replacement for a generic foundation models framework, simplifying adoption. This directly addresses a common pain point: the friction developers experience when juggling different AI APIs. Now, switching between various LLM providers becomes a seamless, almost effortless process with minimal code changes. Imagine drastically reducing the lines of code needed to integrate a new model or switch providers. That's the promise. Beyond just unifying access, AnyLanguageModel also extends the horizons of what developers can truly achieve. Crucially, it extends functionality to support advanced vision language prompts, a rapidly evolving area of AI. This is a significant advantage, as native support for vision language prompts isn't yet fully robust in some existing frameworks. This means developers can build richer, more interactive AI experiences, incorporating both text and visual inputs. It's important to note that AnyLanguageModel is currently in its pre-1.0 phase, meaning active development is vigorously underway. The roadmap includes implementing sophisticated tool calling capabilities, allowing models to interact with external functions. Also on the horizon is enhanced structured output generation, ensuring AI responses are precise and easily parsable. And of course, continuous performance optimizations are a top priority, ensuring speed and efficiency for all users. To showcase its powerful capabilities, an accompanying demo application, Chat UI Swift, is also available for exploration. This demo provides a tangible example of how easily developers can integrate complex LLM features into their apps. The community around AnyLanguageModel is growing, fostering collaboration and innovation among Swift developers globally. As an open-source initiative, it invites contributions, ensuring continuous improvement and broad compatibility for everyone. This package promises to accelerate the pace of AI application development on Apple platforms significantly, fostering innovation. Even for those new to AI integration, the unified API design lowers the barrier to entry, making it more accessible. Its design supports scalability, allowing applications to grow from local testing to large-scale cloud deployment effortlessly. Experienced developers will appreciate the flexibility, allowing deep customization and optimization for specific use cases. The Vision Language Prompt Support means AI can now understand and respond to visual context, not just text. This opens doors to entirely new categories of applications, from intelligent visual assistants to enhanced accessibility tools. Its robust design supports integration across all Apple devices, from iPhones to Macs, unifying the ecosystem. For businesses, adopting any language model could provide a significant competitive edge in the fast-evolving AI landscape. By offering a unified API, it helps future-proof applications against rapid changes in the LLM provider market. Expect to see more workshops and tutorials emerging, guiding developers through its powerful features and implementation. The open-source nature fosters a vibrant community, encouraging contributions and feature enhancements from developers worldwide. Any language model is poised to be a significant catalyst for innovation, driving the next wave of AI-powered applications. By simplifying integration, developers can significantly reduce development time, bringing new AI features to market faster. This allows developers to focus more on creating exceptional user experiences rather than wrestling with complex APIs. Its robust architecture ensures stable and reliable performance, critical for production-ready applications across all platforms. The Vision Language Support opens new possibilities for understanding and interacting with visual data seamlessly. The beauty of any language model lies in its simplicity, abstracting away the underlying complexity of diverse LLM interfaces. It effectively bridges the gap between various AI model ecosystems, creating a harmonious development environment. For small development teams and independent creators, this package democratizes access to powerful AI technologies. It also serves as an excellent educational tool, helping new developers understand modern LLM integration practices. As it progresses towards version 1.0, expect even more robust features, refined APIs, and enhanced documentation. Think of any language model as a universal adapter, making any large language model compatible with your Swift projects. This isn't just a library. It's a glimpse into the future of AI development within the expansive Apple ecosystem. Developers are encouraged to explore the package and its demo app today and join the journey towards simplified AI integration. Any language model truly unlocks unprecedented potential, making sophisticated AI more accessible and powerful for every Apple developer.